Welcome to Sima Energy Update Weekly, your trusted business intelligence roundup covering the biggest developments across the global and Indian energy ecosystem. From oil and gas to solar, wind, hydrogen, electric mobility, and energy policy, we bring you the stories shaping the future of power, industry, and infrastructure. I'm Aisha, and here are this week's top energy developments. Global crude oil markets remained highly volatile this week as investors closely tracked geopolitical developments in the Middle East. Oil prices briefly slipped amid growing optimism around potential easing of regional supply disruptions. Meanwhile, LNG and natural gas continue to play a strategic role in global energy security as Europe and Asia diversify fuel sourcing strategies. India continues to strengthen its position as one of the fastest growing renewable energy markets in the world. The country has already achieved 50% cumulative installed power capacity from non-fossil fuel sources, significantly ahead of its climate commitment targets. Solar and wind energy installations continue to expand rapidly, while industry experts now emphasize grid modernization and energy storage as the next major priorities. Global corporations are also accelerating clean energy investments in India. Major technology and manufacturing companies are expanding renewable energy sourcing to support carbon-neutral operations and sustainable industrial growth. India's future energy strategy is also evolving beyond solar. Wind power, green hydrogen, sustainable aviation fuel, and smart grid infrastructure are emerging as critical pillars of the next-generation energy economy. At the same time, fossil fuels continue to remain central to industrial energy supply, especially for heavy industries and global logistics networks. The global energy sector is now entering a defining decade of transformation, balancing energy security, sustainability, industrial growth, and technological innovation. For more updates, industry insights, policy analysis, technology trends, and exclusive business content across construction, infrastructure, mining, and energy, stay connected with Sima. This has been Sima Energy Weekly.